We've already deconstructed Wanda.
Okay.
Now we need to figure out how to get Wanda in her bent frame 90 miles south.
Right.
Without a trailer. The unboxing. How do they package this? Metal staples. Those are all the pieces you get. Warranty manual. That's the piece that goes onto the hitch. Maybe we open this box next?
That attaches to the truck, I think. Are you gonna drill a hole?
I don't know. Wrong. We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
This was about a 6,500 pound curb weight truck. We took, I think, about 2,000 pounds off. So I think we're sitting at 4,500 pounds, well within our safety limit of the cheapest tow bar I could find. I think this is gonna work. Got a little bit organized here. We got the rear arms, the front arms, the pieces that connect the rear and the front arms. Pivot pins go on the vehicle. This will go to the tow vehicle. So this part connects to this, and this part connects to that, and also the hitch, I believe, there with those holes. Drill marking guide.
There are a couple of existing holes down here. We're gonna take this plate off and see if we use those existing holes. Because it was an enclosed environment.
Used heat and PV blaster to get that off. And if you just look, these are both bent. My theory is if we go to the inside of this one, Tim, point to the outside of that one, we'll be pretty much in line. It'll go somewhat straight.
While Tweedledum and Tweedledummer are over there doing whatever they're doing on that, I went ahead and assembled our tow bar. Kyle, what exactly are you doing right now?
Spacers. I'm getting spacers.
Every washer.
Well, I'm hoping the bigger ones up here are 1/2 inches. I'm thinking if we just use 2 of those or 3 on each side.
All right, I'm bored, thank you.
Got to this stage. Things are still loose, but more or less it's done. We had to fabricate a little bit over here. So we'll tighten everything up and go for a ride.
A little bit.
Yep.
Are we leaving the junk on it, or are we gonna?
We probably can.
Oh, it's not.
Yes, so much stuff.
You're going too far your way, dude. Unless you want to pull it back.
I want to go, let's set it on over the rear axle. Let's go over here by the Corvette.
Why is there a big long bolt on the floor?
Nobody knows.
Just noticed as we were about to leave here that a couple of these lug nuts don't look right. I pointed it out to Kyle. What are you gonna do about it, Kyle?
Why would somebody leave them all loose?
I don't know. All four wheels.
So now I got a Ugga and Dugga.
The near jackknife.
Therein lies the problem. But the tires just don't turn. I probably should have brought a wheel truck. And there goes the fence.
Mm-hmm. He's got enough room to get around the fence, it looks like. Just barely, though. This is the dumbest idea we've ever had.
Is it though?
It's up there.
It's definitely up there.
You missed your fence post by
Inches.
inches.
Yeah, inches is correct. It's actually going pretty good so far.
Yeah.
Watch that fence, Dale.
Yep.
What we want to do now is, because we have that weird pivot point, we're going to unhook, cast to the back, push the rear end, rehook, and just straight shot back.
Yeah.
That's going to be a lot easier.
Yep, for sure.
Oh shit. Right, it'll run right into your truck.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Now that we got it sort of where we want it, we're gonna rehook
side? To the driver's side, over?
Yep.
Sober side.